You put this on when the bees are basically done collecting pollen. And preferably you do it on a warm day, because if you do it on a cold day, it is possible that a mouse looking for someplace warm to go would be scooted into that hive. And then you put the mesh or the mouse guard on, and you trap them inside the hive all winter, and it's not good. I think I'm still early enough for that not to happen, but usually it's better to do this on a warm day when you know the bees are active and there's less likely to be any kind of critter inside the hive.